Welcome back to Instables, everyone. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm going to go over with you guys on ENDP. This is another contraceptive play. We went over EVFM yesterday. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for ENDP to continue here. Again, as you guys can see on the daily chart, we are continuing to respect our 20-day moving average on the daily chart. So what exactly has to happen on the hourly chart for us to continue? And what exactly are we looking for to have a continuation on a gap up here? Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button. And if you do not want to miss any of our market updates or our potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week, hit subscribe. And if you guys are day traders or you guys are looking for intraday perspective breakouts all throughout the week, go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into the 1 hour chart with you guys here on ENDP, as you guys can see, we had a major spike all the way up to 81 cents. And again, this was a contraceptive play. We did mention Roe v. Wade news in the Instables room as soon as we got it. And we had a major breakout with EVFM. And the following day with ENDP as another contraceptive play, we had a major breakout all the way up to 81 cents. So the question is, are we going to continue on with that momentum? Will we break into new highs? And what exactly would it take for us to get there? And how much room do we have to run to the upside? Well, as you guys can see on the 1 hour chart, we do have our previous spike that we had all the way up to 81 cents. We had our previous buy pressure point that we had on this major spike. As you guys can see, we are getting a decrease in buy pressure, similar to yesterday's video with EVFM. We are getting a decrease in buy pressure. We need that increase in buy pressure, breaking above our previous buy pressure points to get more confirmation on a breakout here. If we do not get that increase in buy pressure, then we will have more rejections to the upside if we do not have that pressure that we're looking for. Now, as far as how much room we have to run to the upside, as you guys can see on our daily chart, we do have our previous gap down point that we have been mentioning. If we do get back above, then we can continue on higher and possibly gap up here from 81 cents to the lower end of our wick here that we have at 105. I would be looking for at least that test at $1 if we did break into newer highs at 81 cents. But again, making sure we do get that buy pressure on the 1 hour chart will be very key. Now, the question is, why exactly do people keep ENDP on the watch? And the reason why is because after our spike that we had on a speculative play, we continue to respect our 20-day moving average as we are sitting below a very strong psychological resistance that we could test if we do continue on above 81 with that increase in pressure. And we could even continue on above $1, break into our wicks that we had to the downside here, and even possibly test the lower end of our body of our candle here at 112. So we'll see if we do continue on higher. We'll see if we break over 81. And if we do, again, get confirmation on that breakout, we will mention this in the Instables room. Now, one last indicator that I want to go over with you guys here is our RSI. As you guys can see, we are just breaking above the median of our RSI. We want to see if we do continue into higher highs here on our RSI to have that possibility of being overbought, to have that continuation on higher here. Now, again, keep in mind, there is no fundamental reason why we should be holding ENDP technically. But as far as speculative plays, I wanted to make sure I did cover this because ENDP and EVFM are the biggest watches for speculative plays. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts within the same day, for example, like we mentioned here with ENDP on Roe v. Wade news, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And all of you instables that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. We're going to continue to go at it. Stay patient, take with the market, give us again a very nice breakout like we had with ENDP recently here. We will continue to take plays like these in the instables room. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.